How do I manually enter the code to Sync Roku Remote without Wi-Fi?
Hey there, welcome to this video tutorial on manually entering the code to sync your Roku Remote without using Wi-Fi. Sometimes, you might find yourself in a situation where your Roku device isn't connected to the internet, but you still want to sync your remote. Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step.
Finding the code.
The first step is to find the code that corresponds to your Roku device. The code is usually a 3 or 4-digit number that will allow your remote to communicate with your Roku player. You can typically find the code in the user manual or on the Roku website. If you can't find the code, don't worry. There's a way to manually search for it.
Manually searching for the code.
To manually search for the code, follow these steps. 1. Remove the battery cover from your Roku remote. 2. Locate the small pairing button inside the battery compartment. 3. Press and hold the pairing button for about 3 seconds. 4. While still holding the pairing button, aim the remote at your Roku player. 5. Look for the status light on the front of the player. It should start blinking. 6. Release the pairing button on the remote. 7. Wait for the status light on the player to stop blinking. During this process, your Roku player is sending out different codes, and the remote is trying to find the correct one. Once the status light on the player stops blinking, it means that the remote has found the correct code.
Entering the code.
Now that you've found the code, it's time to enter it manually into your Roku remote. Here's what you need to do. 1. With the code in hand, press the asterisk button on your remote. 2. The status light on the player should blink once, indicating that it has received the code. Congratulations! You've successfully entered the code manually to sync your Roku remote without Wi-Fi. Your remote should now work with your Roku player. And there you have it. You've learned how to manually enter the code to sync your Roku remote without Wi-Fi. Remember, this method can be useful in situations where you don't have an internet connection but still want to use your remote. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.